Houkhiba Ashigi Tang Kuki Millitant Chingnaba Shing Phakhiba Naga Phurup ki miyoi taruk THADORAKTABAGI MAYOKTA YANINGDABA PHONGDOKTUNA ngasi IMPHAL West District ki WANGOI Assembly Constituency ki manung chana LEIBA THIYAM LEISHANGKHONG KABUI KHUL gi MEIRA PAIBI AMADI Club SINGNA SINDUNA LEISHANGKHONG da LEIBA Community Hall da WAKAT MIFAM PHAMKHRE WAKAT MIFAM aduda Kuki terrorist sing gi thawong yaningde Manipur lenga ki thawong yaningde mitam hatpa phaba yaningde Naga Phurup ki miyoi taruk Phakhiba athuba matamda THADORAKTABANI We Want Peace haibana chingba placard paiduna slogan oinasu lauki WAKAT MIFAM aduga mari leinana LEISHNKHONG KABUI MEIRA PAIBI Rombrolu na phongdokhibada Manipur State Government fail oibaga chap manare lengak asina miyambu ngak senbigani haina thamkiba security matik chana thabak tawdre Central Force singna Kuki Millitant singa lawtuna ba manba thawong pende haiba wafam thamki.
It is painful that after the killing of the 3 Kuki pastors, Lengmai Naga pastors and reverends have their targets now. So such an actions, abduction doesn't bring justice. Where is the state government? Where is the Modi government? How long are we going to suffer? So now is the right time that government should stop indulging in cosmetic approach and start doing the real ones. We Nagas cannot be intimidated by false accusation. So we demand the 6 Nagas innocent brothers to release them immediately.